Hi, I'm Sam from Happy Camper Live. Sometimes at camp, we get some rainy days, but that doesn't mean the fun has to stop. So I've got some tips and tricks on how to stay dry when the rain is coming down. Tip number 1, rain boots. Super helpful to have when you're going through puddles or mud. You can take them off and your feet are still dry. Tip number 2, an umbrella. Super helpful to have when you have to get from your bunk to the dining hall and you want to stay dry. Tip number 3, a garbage bag. Poke a few holes in it and you've got an instant rain poncho. And there we go, an instant rain poncho. Tip number 4, a rain jacket. Super helpful to have when you gotta get back to your bunk in the rain, because once you take off your rain jacket, you're dry and ready to start some indoor activities. Tip number 5, carry around an extra pair of socks. If you ever step in a puddle, they're very nice to be able to change into, so you don't have to walk around in wet socks all day.
Hi, I'm Liv, and I have 5 tips to help you have the best summer of your entire life. Here are 5 things that you need to bring on your next hike. The essentials. You're going to need sunscreen, bug spray, and water to help keep you protected from the elements. You're definitely going to want a headlamp and a flashlight as you take an evening jaunt into the woods. A hiking stick is great for helping you get up those hills. Grab a broomstick or anything you can find on the trail and get going. A backpack is great to hold all of your belongings and keep them in one safe spot. A portable chair is great for any time you need a light rest while on the trail.
Hey there, Michael here. I've got some packing tips for you so you can get ready for your summer adventure. As you get ready for camp, remember, you're going to be facing the great outdoors. So, remember to pack all of the essentials. You're going to need a raincoat, you're going to need some boots, you're going to need some comfy shoes. Don't forget a hat, and most importantly, always, sunscreen. You'll need shampoo, conditioner, and soap, you know, the bathroom essentials, like a toothbrush or a nail clipper. But don't forget, you'll also need shower shoes. Make sure you have yourself some waterproof flip-flops to bring in the shower so you keep the icky stuff going down the drain and off your feet. Don't forget to write home. Keep it simple by bringing pre-addressed envelopes and a notebook with your addresses in it so you can be writing home in no time. Oh, and don't forget stamps. Postage ain't free, folks. Bring some personal items from home so that you can feel nice and cozy in your own bunk. Some photos of friends, a stuffed animal, or even personalized sheets will do the trick. Make sure your camp memories last a lifetime. Bring a journal to record all of your favorite camp memories, an autograph pillow to get some signatures from your friends, and some friendship bracelets so you can remember your friends every single day of the year.
Hi, I'm Sam from Happy Camper Live. When you're at summer camp and it gets hot outside, the mosquitoes like to come out. And when it's nighttime, the mosquitoes still like to come out. So here's a few of my tips and tricks how to survive insects in the summer. Tip number 1, bug spray. Invaluable to have. You can buy it at any convenience store before camp. Tip number 2, a hat. Always handy to have when it's nice and bright outside. Plus, it keeps the flies away and the mosquitoes from your face, which is very annoying. You don't want to get bug bites. And you don't want to get sunburns, which is sometimes even worse than bug bites. Tip number 3, pants. Definitely want to have pants or at least tall socks covering your legs when you're walking through tall grass because of ticks. Tip number 4, a fan. Very helpful to have while you're asleep because it keeps the air circulating, keeps all those nasty bugs away, and keeps you cool from that hot summer air. Tip number 5, anti-itch cream. An absolute lifesaver to have in the event that you are bitten by bugs. It magically erases all of the itchiness.
Hi, I'm Liv with Happy Camper Live, and today I'm going to be sharing 5 top tips on how to stay comfy and cozy while at camp. A cozy comforter or a blanket is the perfect thing to keep you snug all summer long. A bathrobe is the perfect thing to keep you warm and dry after all those camp showers. Bring a pair of socks to keep your feet warm and toasty through any cold summer night. Comfy shorts or pants are necessary for a cozy night in with your bunk. Mine are super soft. An egg crate or a mattress pad is great for helping you sleep after a long day of sports, activities, and fun.
Hi, I'm Sam from Happy Camper Live. The bus ride to camp is the first leg of your summer of fun, and I've got some great ways to make it even more exciting. So here's some of my tips and tricks on how to make the bus ride to camp even more exciting. Tip number 1, bring earbuds or headphones so you can listen to music on the bus. Tip number 2, bring a book. Depending on how far away your ride is to camp, you'll have a little bit of time to kill. Tip number 3, pack some snacks. So if I ever get hungry on the bus ride to camp, I'll always have a healthy snack ready to go. Tip number 4, pack some cards or some games that you can play on the bus with your friends. Tip number 5, talk to the people around you because everybody is super excited to get to camp. So talk about some of your favorite camp memories or some of the things that you're looking forward to most this summer.
Hey there, Michael here. Experience the magic of summer with these fun games you can play in the bunk. Rafter Ball is a super fun game to play with your friends. All you need is a softball or a tennis ball. You throw the ball up in the air and see if it bounces off the rafters. Every bounce you get is a point. If you miss the rafter entirely, pass it on to your friend. Just remember, you want a soft ball so that you don't break a window. Board games. Board games are a super fun way to just sit back, relax, and connect with your friends. They also make a lot of board games in travel size, so feel free to throw this in your bag and head on up to camp. Cards are a great game to play in the bunk. You can bring a classic deck of cards, shuffle them around and play with your friends, or you can bring a preset card game and you can play one of those as well. Put on your performance shoes and play some charades. Grab a baseball cap, put a person, place, or thing down on a slip of paper, draw one out, and act out that thing without saying a word. Bump some jams and name that tune. Grab your music player and a speaker and see if your friends can guess 2 or 3 seconds of your favorite song. Hey there, I'm Michael. Experience the magic of summer camp with these fun tips to beat the heat. You're gonna have a fantastic summer with this by your bedside. Try an ice fan to keep you cool in those hot summer nights. Drink lots of water all summer. It's very important you stay hydrated. A canteen or water bottle will do. A mister's always great for when it's hot out. Yeah, a nice fan and spritz will get you cool from the hot summer sun. Lose the shoes and socks and trade them in for a nice pair of flip-flops. Get these bad boys on your feet and your toesies will be nice and cool. Get outside and jump in the water. You'll stay nice and cool in that lake or pool.
Hey guys, I'm Rachel from Happy Camp Alive. Experience the magic of summer camp with these amazing bunk decorating tips. Decorating your bunk can be loads of fun, so add some funk to that bunk. Posters are an amazing way to express yourself and show off the things that you like. String or fairy lights are a great addition to any bunk. Hang them over the rafters or over the bedposts and add a little sparkle to your summer home. Feel the love from inside and outside of camp this summer. Photos and cards from friends and family back home look great by your bedside table or on the wall. Glow-in-the-dark stickers are a summer camp classic. Stick stars and moons all over the bunk ceiling and see the starry summer camp sky even on a rainy night. Make your bunk decorations extra special by putting out your own arts and crafts projects. There's no better way to express yourself. I'm Rachel. I hope you enjoyed these fun bunk decorating tips. For more summer camp magic, head to happycampalive.com.